Mahigit 1,700 estudyante ang nagtapos sa 2013 commencement exercises ng University of the Philippines Los Baños kahapon. Guest speaker si Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, ang chairman and CEO ng GMA Network. Nagtapos si Gozon ng kursong abogasya sa UP. Payo ni Gozon sa batch 2013, dream big, plan, and believe. Huwag daw matakot sa trabaho, magpursige at maging bukas sa bagong kaalaman.
When I took the helm of actively managing the company in October of 2000, I dreamed big. In fact, bigger than anyone else at your Kapuso network. Together, we have transformed GMA into the multimedia giant that it is today. And we are now undisputably number one.
Malaking karangalan daw para kay Gozon ang magsalita sa harap ng mga iskolar ng bayan. Kundi raw dahil sa UP, hindi niya mararating ang naabot niya ngayon sa buhay. Kaya't mensahe pa niya sa mga bagong graduate,
They should not only seek employment after they graduate, but they should try to be entrepreneurs and they should do their best.
Kasamang dumalo ni Gozon sa UPLB commencement exercises ang kanyang may bahay na si Ginang Teresa Gozon.